Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you an interesting radio, the Radtel RT-470X from Amazon. It's a great choice for travel, work, fishing, hiking, or simply for anyone who needs reliable communication without relying on mobile networks. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more useful reviews. Let's begin. The radio comes in a compact box where all the components are neatly arranged and securely fixed. Inside, you'll find the radio itself, the antenna, the battery, a belt clip, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. The packaging doesn't look cheap and immediately gives the impression of a well-made product. Everything arrives in perfect condition without any damage. The radio looks compact and tidy. The body feels solid and has a pleasant texture that provides a secure grip. The antenna is flexible, doesn't break, and installs easily. The buttons are large and have a smooth, soft click, so you can press them comfortably even while wearing gloves. The display is simple but readable even in sunlight. The body also includes a flashlight, an emergency call button, and a headset port. Overall, the radio feels well built, with no rattling parts or flaws. The radio operates across a wide frequency range and supports different modes, making it suitable for travel, construction work, hiking, vehicles, or fishing trips. The sound is loud and clear without background noise. The communication range depends on the environment, but in open areas the signal reaches long distances confidently. It includes key lock channel scanning, multiple noise reduction levels, adjustable power, and voice prompts. USB-C charging makes the device even more convenient because you can charge it from a power bank at any time. This radio stands out with its compact size and surprisingly loud speaker, allowing you to hear the other person clearly even in noisy places. USB-C charging is a major advantage because you don't need special chargers. The menu is intuitive and easy to learn in just a few minutes. The antenna performs well, the signal remains stable, and the voice transmission quality is better than expected for a budget radio from Amazon. The battery lasts long enough for a full day of use without recharging. It's a great tool for tourists, hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and even for work. The model does not have full water protection, so it's better to be cautious when using it in the rain. Some settings may be confusing for beginners, and you might need to explore the menu for a bit to understand everything. The display is readable but could be slightly larger. Also, the radio isn't pre-configured for all possible channels out of the box, so if you need professional use, you'll have to adjust the settings manually or via software. The radio left a very positive impression. It is compact, lightweight, simple to operate, and provides stable communication without interference. During testing, it delivered reliable long-distance reception in open areas and offered very good voice clarity. The battery life is excellent, and USB-C charging adds even more convenience. For its price on Amazon, it's an excellent option for anyone who needs reliable communication without depending on mobile networks. The model is suitable both for beginners and experienced users. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments whether you've used the radios before and which model you'd like to see reviewed next. See you in the next videos.